Watch it. Wait. Are you getting it? That's the best in the world. Freshly graded this morning. Shit you not.
Where'd you get that?
From the container right here. Little canister is the best. Try some. It's the best in the world. It's freshly rated. Every morning they do that here. Not too many places do that. I mean, if I was going to go to every restaurant in town, this is the best. Guaranteed. I know a couple more do it, but I'm not going to tell you yet.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. This is mi amor. It's bon appetit. This is shit. Doesn't get better than this. Forget about it.
And what's this?
This is your best beer in the world. Actually, it comes from Belgium. It comes from Belgium, wherever that is over there. This is Belgian beer. It's Italian. I could drink this all day. I mean, like this, watch.
Anything interesting happened to you this morning?
I got arrested. I got detained by some Border Patrol guys or something.
Harbor Patrol.
Yeah, those guys at the airport tried to get me to go home with them. And I said, oh, wait a minute, call up Carol. Call Carol to verify that I'm somebody. They thought I was just bumming cigarettes after the guys, the cops. Which I was. I really were. Turn it off. No cameras in the restaurant, please.